everyone. I'm back with another video, and this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Asian pork chops with pan-seared bok choy. So let's get to the first step of making the pork chop marinade. I have the pork chop here. I'm adding sesame oil, white pepper, 5-spice, Chinese 5-spice, Chinese wine, and the soy sauce. Now we mix everything up together. Then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate up for about 20 minutes.
I see you making another budget dish today.
Yes, and another quick and easy one. I have the skillet here. I already added some oil. Now we're going to heat it up a bit. And then we're going to add the marinated pork chops in.
So this is a one pan, one pot dish, right?
Yes, it's only on one pot to make this. And then I'm coming back and do in the same pan, do the seared bok choy.
Oh, okay. You could also make this dish with chicken for those people who don't like pork, because I know some people are anti-pork out there. So you could do the same dish with chicken.
Now we'll let this sear on each side for about 5 minutes. And now this is what we're going to do. With some of this sauce from the marinade, we're going to add the cornstarch to it, like a spoon. And you're going to mix this up. But we're going to add it to the pork chops when it's cooked.
Okay.
Then I'm going to add a little warm water to this.
So this is like a cornstarch slurry you're doing it?
Yeah. In the same bowl the marinade was ready. So we're going to set this to the side. Now I think we're going to flip the pork chop now.
Oh, that looks really good so far. The golden brown color on that, after they sear it, look really good. Smells good also.
Yeah, I can smell the 5-spice.
Yeah, I was about to say that. That 5-spicing a very strong and distinct smell to it. It's not a cheap spice. Also, that's pretty expensive. Although this is a budget dish, that particular spice does cost a little bit. I remember you getting this spice a while ago. It was like maybe $8 a bottle, $9 a bottle for it.
Yeah, $8.99, $9.99, I think.
Not a cheap spice.
But since everything has gone up, it might went up
even more.
Yeah. Now we're going to let this cook on this side, and then we'll come back. Now we're going to add the cornstarch slurry to the pork chop. And we're going to cover this up and let it cook for 10 minutes. Now we're going to sear up the bok choy. The first thing we're going to do is turn on the skillet. Then we're going to add the garlic in.
Remember again, everybody, the ingredients will be in the description box below. And also like, subscribe, share, comment, and make sure we get in that algorithm.
Okay, we're searing up the garlic for about 30 seconds. We don't want it to burn. We're using the same pan we cooked the pork chops in. Now I'm going to add some onions and red pepper slices.
By doing that, it keeps the flavor and it seals in the flavor into the vegetables and cook it up now, right?
Yes. We cook the vegetables here, the onions and the peppers for about 30 seconds before we put in the bok choy. Now we're going to add the bok choy.
And this is baby bok choy, not the adult version of that. The adult bok choy is much bigger than this.
Yeah, and it's dark, the leaves are much darker also, a dark green. We're going to cover this up and let it steam. Now, yes.
Wow, that looks pretty good. Those vegetables look so vibrant.
Yeah, now we're going to add some soy sauce to this. And we're going to add some red pepper flakes. Now, you can omit this if you don't want no heat. I want a little heat to the vegetables. We're going to cover this up and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Then it's time to serve it up. It's all plated up. Enjoy. Another quick and easy weeknight dinner. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon with another video. Oh, yes. And by the way, you can check out some of my older videos in the screen below. See you soon. Bye. Hit that like button.